Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we're diving into one of the most shocking and honestly terrifying updates from space science. NASA has just confirmed that there is a 72% risk of a giant asteroid colliding with Earth in the near future. Yes, you heard it right. 72%. That means more than a 50-50 chance. And if this happens, it could change life on our planet forever. But what exactly does this mean? Let's break it down step by step. So what is an asteroid anyway? Asteroids are rocky objects orbiting the Sun, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Unlike planets, they are smaller and, well, often irregular in shape. But don't underestimate them. Some are massive, stretching hundreds of kilometers wide. For example, the asteroid Ceres is so big that scientists actually classify it as a dwarf planet. Even a much smaller asteroid, just a few kilometers wide, can cause global destruction if it crashes into Earth. So, now, how does NASA even detect these things? NASA constantly scans the skies with telescopes and advanced radar systems. They track near-Earth objects. These are asteroids or comets that pass close to our planet's orbit. They calculate their trajectories, which are basically the paths these space rocks take around the Sun. Using mathematics and physics, scientists can predict whether a particular asteroid could collide with Earth in the coming decades. So, when NASA says 72% risk, it means their calculations show a strong probability that the orbit of this asteroid intersects with Earth's orbit at a dangerous point in time. What happens if an asteroid hits Earth? Let's imagine for a moment. Even a small asteroid, just 50 meters wide, can destroy an entire city. This isn't just theory. Back in 1908, in Tunguska, Siberia, an explosion flattened nearly 80 million trees over 2,000 square kilometers. Now, a much larger asteroid, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago, about 10 kilometers wide, could trigger tsunamis, massive fires, climate change, and even extinction. Imagine, just for a second, NASA warning us about a giant asteroid with a 72% chance of impact. The results could be devastating, causing global earthquakes, blocking sunlight with dust, and disrupting agriculture for years. Oh, can we stop it? Let's talk about NASA's defense plans. The good news is, NASA is not just sitting idle. They've already started testing planetary defense missions. One example is the DART mission in 2022, where NASA deliberately crashed a spacecraft into the asteroid Dimorphos to see if its orbit could be changed. And guess what? It actually worked. This proved that we can redirect an asteroid if we detect it early enough. Other proposed methods include using nuclear explosions in space to push the asteroid away, gravitational tractors, basically spacecrafts that pull an asteroid gradually with gravity, and even laser beams to slowly alter its course. So, while the danger is real, humanity is also preparing to defend itself. Should we panic? Here's the truth. While 72% risk sounds terrifying, it doesn't mean the asteroid will hit Earth tomorrow. NASA calculates these probabilities over decades, sometimes even centuries. That means we still have time to prepare and develop stronger defense systems. Still, this warning is a reminder that Earth is not alone in space. We're constantly surrounded by cosmic threats. The dinosaurs couldn't stop their asteroid, but we might be the first species in history with the technology to actually prevent extinction. So, is humanity ready for a challenge like this? Or are we still underestimating the dangers from space? One thing is certain, the more we invest in science and space exploration, the safer our future will be. And now, I really want to hear from you. What do you think? Should governments spend billions on asteroid defense? Or is it just fear-mongering? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget, your one like, share and subscribe will help us create more valuable content.